Let's learn colors with dancing balls.
Start the drum. Here come the purple balls. Purple color.
The purple balls are dancing. Look at the purple dance. Press start for red.
Red color. Red balls are dancing. Let's dance with red. Red is so much fun.
Press start. Here come the pink balls.
Pink balls are dancing. Spin and jump. Let's dance with pink.
Get ready for yellow. Yellow balls are here. Yellow color.
Yellow balls are dancing and bouncing. Let's jump with yellow.
Start the drum. Green balls are coming. Green color.
Green balls are dancing. Hop with green. Dance, dance, green balls.
Press start and let's go. Turquoise balls are here. Turquoise color.
Turquoise balls are dancing. Wiggle, shake, and bounce.
Time for blue. Blue balls are coming out. Blue color.
Blue balls are dancing. Spin around with blue.
Press start for orange. Orange balls, let's go. Orange color.
Orange balls are jumping and dancing. It's a fun orange party. Yay, you did it! Great job learning colors.